Hello YouTube, Mike here. I'm getting very close to my hiking destination today. The road to get here, wow. If you're a fan of driving, holy moly. It was just really narrow, lots of curves, lots of twists. You gotta stay on your toes to drive that road. It was amazing. There happened to be a pull-off at the top of that road before I get on the Blue Ridge Parkway. And the views here, wow, they're stunning. So I figured I'd stop and show you what I can see. Just barely hear the falls from here. It's just amazing. This is a beautiful trail. I'm really enjoying it. It's so funny how your mind wanders when you're on the trail though. I mean, I start thinking about, well, I gotta edit and how long is it gonna be until I can get back to the thing and do this. Man. I'm pretty sure that's the wrong way of thinking. But, you know, I've been doing this full time every day for 3 months now. And at least the creating videos and content part. And I think it gets to the point where the creation process is kind of your comfort zone. First glimpse of the falls right there through those trees. See if I can zoom in a little bit here. See him? Doesn't get any better than this. The hike down, not so bad. The hike back up, pretty freaking strenuous. But I love it. It just gets my heart pumping, being out here in nature, just enjoying the outdoors. I'm gonna sleep well tonight though. That's the trail, goes down in there. So I'm assuming we're gonna go down the side of this mountain again, and then we're gonna go up that one. On the top of that mountain is where the car is. So I got a ways to go. So I just got back from my hike today, and I don't know how strenuous it was. My shirt is completely dry, so that means one of two things. Either one, I'm extremely dehydrated, or two, not very strenuous. Now I'm leaning on the side of extremely dehydrated, but I have a big question for you. Because I drank water the entire time on the way to try to stay hydrated. But how can you have to pee so freaking bad if you're that dehydrated? It doesn't make any sense. Can't your body just reuse that fluid? Why pee it out? I don't know. The falls were absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Just beautiful, and the weather is incredible. It wasn't crowded at all when I was there. It was just me and another guy doing photography. It started to get a little crowded by the time I left, but oh man, it's well worth the hike. Now, I did the 1 mile hike down, and then I did the loop around for the second part of the hike, which is kind of more up and down. It goes through the valley and all kinds of stuff. I think if I was gonna do this hike again, I'd probably do the loop around first, down to the falls. You get to see little waterfalls above the main fall, and then when you get down there, and then I'd probably take the 1 mile strenuous hike back up the hill on the way back. That's just my thought if I was gonna do it again. So I had some fantastic hiking today, and I'm just convinced that hikers and campers are a different breed. They're an old soul. Everyone on the trail says hi and asks you how you're doing and starts a conversation with you. I was down at the falls, I had a guy offer me a beer. On the way back up, I had a really long conversation with a retired guy who just goes around hiking these trails and taking pictures. And I just think this is pretty awesome. I mean, I don't know. Try going to the mall and walking up to the guy next to you and talking to him. He's gonna look at you like you've got 3 heads. But for whatever reason, when you're out hiking or camping, everyone's friendly. Everyone wants to talk to you. It's really awesome. I love that part of this trip. I've met a bunch of really cool people, and that's pretty neat. Well, that's gonna be it for me today. As you can see, it's getting a little windy outside. We're supposed to cool off again tonight. It may not be all that great for hiking tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. So just so you know, my schedule is still 9 a.m. release of the daily vlog, and then 10 a.m. live broadcast in order to talk about where I plan to go for the day, so that you can come hike with me. And if you come find me, you'll win a $50 Amazon gift card. That's pretty cool. So you definitely want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do updates throughout the day letting you know where I'm at. You can also subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're guaranteed to know when I go live. And it also helps you find me again later. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.